Welcome back. Now that you understand what AI automation is and how workflows operate, it's time to explore the tools that make automation possible. In this lesson, we'll navigate the ecosystem of platforms that will bring your ideas to life. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand the most popular AI automation tools, what each one is designed for, and exactly how to choose the right tool for different business needs. You'll move from feeling overwhelmed by choices to having a clear strategy. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is believing they need to use every AI tool available. The truth is, you don't. The goal is to choose the right tool for the right job. Let's look at some of the most popular AI automation platforms used by professionals today. First, there's N8N. N8N is one of the most flexible automation platforms available today. It allows you to connect hundreds of different applications into one workflow. One of its biggest advantages is that you can host it yourself and keep full control over your data. With N8N, you can automate emails, AI agents, databases, CRMs, websites, and much more. It's the go-to for developers and advanced users who want power and control without being locked into a specific vendor's ecosystem. It scales beautifully as your projects get more complex. Next is Make.com. Make uses a visual drag-and-drop interface that's very beginner-friendly. It's excellent for creating business automations without writing code. Many companies use Make for marketing, customer support, lead generation, and reporting because of its intuitive design. Another popular platform is Zapier. Zapier connects thousands of applications together with very little setup. It's ideal for simple automations such as sending notifications, saving form responses, updating spreadsheets, or creating CRM records. It's the fastest way to get a simple workflow running. When you need AI inside your automation, platforms like OpenAI allow your workflows to think before they act. Instead of simply moving data, AI can analyze information, summarize documents, classify emails, generate responses, and make intelligent decisions based on your data. You can also integrate AI image generators, voice models, translation services, speech recognition, and document analysis into your workflows. As your projects become more advanced, you'll discover that most professional automations aren't built on one platform. They combine several tools together. For example, a customer submits a form. The info is sent to N8N. OpenAI analyzes the request. Google Sheets stores the data. Gmail sends a confirmation, and Slack notifies your team. Everything happens automatically. This is the power of finding the right combination for your specific workflow. This is why choosing tools isn't about finding the best platform. It's about finding the right combination for your specific workflow. As you continue through this course, you'll build automations using real tools so you can understand when to use each one. Remember, the tool doesn't create the automation, your workflow does. The key takeaways are simple. Different tools solve different problems. N8N is flexible, Make is friendly, and Zapier is simple. AI services add the intelligence, and great automations often combine multiple platforms to get the job done. The software simply brings your ideas to life. Now for your assignment, I want you to answer these 3 questions. Which automation platform interests you the most? Why did you choose it? And which business task would you automate first? Thinking through these now will help you as we move into the building phase. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to design a workflow step by step before building it with automation software. I'll see you there as we start building.